Let's review the Contacts menu. Press and hold on a contact to open the menu. When you mute push-to-talk, the contacts icon will be grayed out, and push-to-talks from them will not be played. Chats will still work. Muted contacts are not aware of your inability to hear from them. When you pin a contact, a shortcut is added to the bottom row of your dashboard. Note, you can only pin up to 3 talk groups at a given time. To replace or remove a pinned contact, press and hold the contact and click on Unpin from Homepage. The video button allows you to start a video call with groups or contacts. The splash alarm button sends a pop-up alert to the group or contact's device along with an alarm. The pop-up alert can be customized with a message. The chat button opens your conversation with a selected talk group or contact. The focus mode mutes all your contacts and groups so you can focus only on one. By clicking the Mute Chat button, all notifications from the contact will be muted. By clicking More Actions, you can now expand the menu. Open the map allows you to see the location of the selected contact. This is only available for contacts, not groups. Remove from list will remove the contact from your recent or pinned list.